Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Hello! And this features some of the new wonderful ink colours. We've got Sweet Sorbet, we've got Awkward Oasis, we've got Parakeet Party and Starry Night. So, let me show you what I did. I have here just a piece of scrap basic white. Stamps that we're going to use is the one that carried over, Biggest Wish. We're going to say hello. And we're going to start stamping. And I'll bring out my Stampin chamois. We're going to ink up our sum set. This is hello. I'm going to use my grid paper to help me. I could use my, what you call that thing, Stamparatus, but I actually find it easier doing it this way. Down. That's hello. I need to give this a really good especially after the red, you need to give it a really good clean. And then we're going to use Awkward Oasis next. So let's put that one away. Whoops. And these are the new ink colours, as I said. This is a lovely colour, Awkward Oasis. So just line this up. Sorry if my head's in the camera, it's just so I can see what I'm doing. There you go. Hello. Okay, I'll give this another really good clean. These dry a bit lighter than it looks at the moment, so don't worry. This is Parakeet Party. And again, head in the camera. There we go, hello. Again, clean it up really well. And then we're going to use, the next one is Starry Night. So, ink that up. There we go. And we've got our hellos. Isn't that cute? Just clean this up one final time, giving a really good clean. Clean up, close up the ink pad. Set that aside for a second, and we're going to bring in our trimmer, which is here. Actually, let it dry for a second, and let me show you the next bit. I've got a card base. This is a thick Whisper White, basic white rather, and it's standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half, then fold in half. Then I've got a piece here of the Starry Night cardstock, and I've run it through this gorgeous embossing folder, Pretty Flowers. So you can see, very difficult to see the emboss, but it is there. Okay, and we're just going to stick this down with some Tombow. Now you can hear the emboss. You can hear all that lovely texture we have on our background. Okay, and then we're going to just put this down on our card base. Okay, just like that. Now bring in our trimmer and our sentiment, and we're going to just trim off a little bit. I wanted more than that. Like that. And like that. And then this way as well. Just like that. And then we just need a little bit off the side, not much. Something like that. And then we have our panel. Okay. So we are going to stick our panel down to a piece of this gorgeous glimmer paper, and this is an Awkward Oasis, and this comes, all of the new in colours come in a pack of glimmer paper, and it's so pretty. There's so much glimmer and glittery shine there, you can see. So let's mat this. I'm just doing this by eye like that, and then back into the trimmer again. Sorry about the interruption, I just had to go and help my mother. We were just cutting out this sentiment freehand that we backed on this glorious glimmer paper here. Just like that. Really pretty, isn't it? This glimmer paper is so gorgeous, really. If you like a little bit of shimmer and glimmer, this is your paper. Definitely, you need it in your life. Okay, so we are now going to put this panel on our what do you call this panel? On our Starry Night panel. We're going to use some dimensional adhesive to do that. So just going to get my dimensionals. Here they are. I'm going to use some of my edges, because it'll make the whole life a lot more easy. Using some edges here to just take up the slack. I love my edges for things like this. It means that you don't have to take nearly as many backings off, which is always a bonus as far as I'm concerned. That'll do. And save this, because this can be used in a number of ways as well. It's really useful if you are, for example, got stickers and you want to make up a little kit of your own stickers from various sticker packs, and you can put them all onto this sheet and then you have them easily. So don't get rid of that. It has some great uses. Okay, so we're just going to put this down like that. Get rid of all these backings because they have no use except to annoy me. Then I'm going to show you these. These are the glossy dots, and I'm going to use some of these blue ones again. I'm just going to put them here and there. And there you go. There are the two cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, supply lists, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links, including the link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club. It's all in the description box below, so do check it out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.